If you want to achieve results like this and succeed in the e-commerce business, you need to master the art of finding winning products. This means knowing which products sell the best, which ones are already saturated, which products are going viral, and spotting fresh products with high potential to become winners. To stay ahead of your competitors and find these products at the right time, you need to use the best product research tools. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top tools to help you find your first or next winning product. As you know, subscribing to these spy tools can be expensive, especially if you're a beginner or working with a limited budget. If you can save money by cutting down on your expenses, you can use that extra money to invest in testing products. The key to success in e-commerce is testing. The more products you test, the higher your chances of finding a winning product that could change your life. Tools like Minea, AdSpy, Pixta, or ShopHunter start at around $40 to $50 per month for basic plans and can go up to $500 monthly for business plans, which can be unaffordable for many of you. That's why I'm excited to share this amazing website that offers access to all the spy tools we're going to cover in today's video, like Minea, AdSpy, Pixta, ShopHunter, Ecomhunt, AdHeart, PipiAds, NicheScraper, Sell the Trend, and many more, all for just $29 a month. Yes, you heard that right. For only $29, you'll get access to all the top spy tools you need, and I'll show you proof of that. But it doesn't stop there. As a bonus, you'll also get subscriptions to other premium tools that will help you with your daily business tasks. This includes AI tools like ChatGPT+, SEO tools like SEMrush, AI SEO, Ahrefs, Keyword Tool, video editing tools like CapCut Pro, Prezi, and Stock Image, and video libraries like Envato Elements. You can explore all of these tools and more using the link below in the description. As we've always been transparent with you, these tools are shared, which means you're not the only one using them. But honestly, that doesn't affect your experience at all. You'll still benefit from all the features of the tools. What's even better is that you're getting access to the business-level unlimited subscriptions, not just the basic plans. I'm personally using them, and everything works perfectly. In rare cases, some tools may go down temporarily, but they are usually updated in less than 24 hours. Plus, you'll have WhatsApp support, so if you notice any tool not working, just let them know, and they'll send you a new account right away. This happens very rarely, and honestly, it's not an issue, especially considering the price you're paying. Normally, accessing all these tools would cost you at least $4,000 to $5,000 per month, so it's an amazing deal. To grab this deal, head over to digitaloffs.com/premium tools bundle, where you can check out all the available tools. As you'll see, there are 3 pricing options: the monthly plan at $29 per month, 6 months for $99, and a full year for just $139. You can choose the plan that best suits your needs. Once you've decided, simply click on the Buy Now button and you'll be redirected to the checkout page. Fill in your billing details and complete the payment using your preferred method, whether it's credit card, USDT, or Binance Pay. Once the payment is done, make sure to send a screenshot of the transaction to the support team via WhatsApp, and they'll quickly send you your access details to start using the tools. I'm excited to announce a special giveaway. You have the chance to win a 1-year plan of access to all the tools. To participate, all you need to do is like this video, share it, and comment, "I want to find winning products" below. We'll announce the winner in one of our upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Now, let's get back to our video. At number 10, we have Ecomhunt. This tool is great for both beginners and seasoned sellers because it simplifies the process of finding trending products. Every day, it curates a list of hot products, providing key details like profit margins, recommended targeting, and competition levels. While these numbers aren't always 100% accurate, they give you a solid starting point for your research. What really sets Ecomhunt apart is its ability to inspire new ideas and help you stay on top of market trends. Plus, the community aspect, where users share insights and tips, makes it even more valuable, especially if you're just starting out. Overall, Ecomhunt is a time saver and a great tool to get inspiration and insights without the guesswork. Next up at number 9, we have Dropshipping Business. Dropshipping specializes in tracking competitor ads, especially on Facebook. The strength of this tool lies in its ability to help you uncover the strategies behind your competitors' best-performing ads. You can filter ads by engagement, date, country, and more, giving you an in-depth look at what's working in the e-commerce space. Dropshipping even allows you to analyze landing pages, giving you insight into how other sellers are setting up their funnels. Whether you're trying to reverse engineer their strategies or simply get inspiration, Dropshipping is a great way to stay ahead of the competition. For any e-commerce business, understanding what works in the ad space is critical, and Dropshipping gives you the tools to do just that. Coming in at number 8 is PipiAds. PipiAds' strength lies in spying on competitors' ads and uncovering trending products. What sets PipiAds apart from other tools is the level of detail it offers in its analytics. Not only can you see the ad copies and creatives your competitors are using, but you also get insight into audience demographics, which can help you fine-tune your own targeting strategies. PipiAds even offers heat maps, which show exactly where people are clicking on a competitor's ad or website. This kind of detailed data can help you improve your own campaigns, making it easier to optimize for higher conversions. If you're looking to step up your marketing game, PipiAds is an excellent tool to add to your toolkit. At number 7, we have Sell the Trend. This tool is an all-in-one solution that combines product discovery, trend analysis, and audience insights. One of its standout features is the Nexus tool, which uses AI to predict how well a product will perform based on current trends. This gives you a leg up in finding winning products before your competitors even know about them. Sell the Trend also integrates smoothly with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, allowing you to import products directly into your store with just one click. Another great feature is its competitor store spying functionality, which helps you keep an eye on what's working for other sellers. Sell the Trend is perfect if you want to streamline your research process and get reliable insights all in one place. Moving on to AdHeart at number 6. AdHeart provides you with real-time data on AD performance across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google. It offers detailed analytics on ad creatives, targeting options, and engagement metrics, which is essential for optimizing your campaigns. What really makes AdHeart stand out is its creative library. This feature lets you browse successful ad creatives used by other brands, offering tons of inspiration for your next campaign. Whether you're launching a new product or refining an existing campaign, AdHeart gives you the insights you need to make informed decisions and boost your return on investment. At number 5, we have PipiAds Pro. This tool is a game changer for those who are focusing on TikTok ads. PipiAds Pro offers unlimited access to a vast database of TikTok ads, allowing you to filter by engagement, country, or even the soundtracks used in the ads. The platform is particularly useful for discovering what products are going viral on TikTok, one of the fastest-growing platforms for e-commerce marketing. Given how competitive TikTok has become, using a tool like PipiAds Pro can give you a serious advantage by helping you create ads that resonate with your audience and have the potential to go viral. At number 4, we have NicheScraper, an excellent tool for finding winning products with minimal effort. NicheScraper updates its product list daily, giving you access to trending products along with crucial data like profit margins and competition levels. One of NicheScraper's unique features is its hand-picked section, where experts curate a list of products that have the potential to perform exceptionally well. And if you're short on time, NicheScraper includes a video ad maker that lets you create professional ads for your products without needing advanced editing skills. This tool can definitely help you stay ahead in the ever-changing e-commerce market. At number 3, we have Minea Business. Minea is an all-in-one AdSpy tool that tracks ads across Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. The tool offers a massive database of ads and provides filtering options to help you find the most relevant ones based on engagement, platform, and country. A unique feature Minea offers is its influencer search. This helps you find influencers who align with your brand, making it easier to promote your products through influencer marketing, a crucial strategy for scaling your business. Minea's comprehensive approach makes it an essential tool for anyone serious about e-commerce. Coming in at number 2 is AdSpy, one of the largest ad databases available. AdSpy offers a wide range of filters, from keywords and engagement metrics to call-to-action buttons and affiliate networks. This level of detail allows you to dive deep into understanding what's working in your niche. AdSpy's ability to provide insights into competitor strategies makes it an invaluable tool for optimizing your own ad campaigns. Whether you're trying to break into a new market or improve your existing efforts, AdSpy helps you stay competitive by providing critical insights into what's working in your industry. Finally, taking the top spot is ShopHunter.io Business. This tool blends ad intelligence with product research in a way that's incredibly effective. ShopHunter.io allows you to track the performance of products across various online stores, giving you real-time updates on what's selling well and at what price point. You can also monitor your competitors' best-selling products, pricing strategies, and even the design of their stores. ShopHunter.io's advanced filters and real-time updates make it a perfect tool for finding high-margin products that can maximize your profits. So there you have it, my top 10 ad spy tools for finding winning products. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools can help you stay ahead of the competition, save time, and find the best products to sell in your store. And don't forget, if you want access to some of the best ad spy tools in the industry, like Minea, PipiAds, Ecomhunt, and more, you can get it all for just $29 a month through the special offer linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tips and tools to grow your e-commerce business, and I'll see you in the next one.